Hello everyone, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 3rd, 2020. The fourth Sudoku is a binary Sudoku, and this Sudoku will be number 1, 4, 5, 8. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones or 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. Then double 1 here and O there no. Between two O's comes an 1. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then. Double 1 here and O there no. Yeah. 3 1s. No. Let me see. I'm stuck, I think. I'm stuck. How could that be happen? Can I compare? Yeah. I can compare with this first row and the fourth row. 1 1 empty box. 1 1 0 1 1 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With O, we need a 1 here. So double 1 here and O there no. Double O here and 1 there and 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's in this column. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s in this row. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1 there and 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Need to compare. No. 3 O's. If I place the fourth O here, then we have 3 1s in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Compare. I need to compare. Yes. Compare. Yes. This column and that column. O empty box. 1 1 0 1 1 0 empty box. So I need to switch this digit and that digit. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two ones comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finished in 4 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in a minute with the last Sudoku, a tectonic one. So see you later. Bye bye for now.